Now we introduce another method to edit the program. Open file. Here, click the right button, open. Just now, we introduced to change the OS coordinate to change all other coordinates related to this OS. Okay. Another method is we edit the coordinates directly. Like now, if we know the PCB distance, like here from here, like about maybe if here, if we know this distance, like 2000, okay, for example, if we know this distance, 2000, for example, we here equal or no, not offset. I have offset. Here equal this one plus 2000. Okay. Enter. Then these coordinates. Then after this is for the next PCB, right? We copy this. We copy this data. Copy this data to here. If we use this method, the OS not needed. Okay, we just copy paste. Did we copy it? No. Copy. And here paste. We click choose the paste as values. Okay. And why keep the same? Why keep the same? 那个版呢？刚刚那个版呢？ Why keep the same? 那个多，刚刚那个小版呢？If like this board, this has two rows. Then we just change here. Need to change. Why need to change again? We can calculate. Okay, we just the same method. But we by calculated to the Excel, and after this we save and open at the software. Okay, this is the second method to edit the position. Just for example, okay, as I said just now, I prefer the offset because it's much. This method is like Windows, but use offset like iOS. Okay. Okay, for program, we just take these videos. Later we introduce other parameter of this machine.